When I said I am trying to get lost again, I really expressed a very critical point of departure. That frame of mind that you need to make fine pictures of a very wonderful subject. You cannot do it by not being lost yourself. I am trying to get lost again. When you're working well, it is, first of all, a process of getting lost so that you live for maybe 2-3 hours as completely as possible a visual experience. The cabin became our special place to be together and be with the grandchildren there. They thought of it as a place where they were free.
I remember my grandmother and I were together at our family cabin, and limping along the beach, she was photographing. I had a handful of shells and stones and thrust them out toward her, asking her to look. She said, "I see them, but do you see them?" I said, "Yes, I see them." Then she said sternly, "But do you see them?" and snapped the photo. I looked back at my palm, and from then on, apprehended the world differently. Toward the very end of my grandmother's life, an unprecedented honor came to her. An invitation to be the first woman photographer to prepare a career retrospective for the Museum of Modern Art in New York.
This is really the pinnacle of achievement. This is not just a matter of choosing which photographs of a life's work of tens of thousands, but it's also a matter of figuring out which photographs should talk to other photographs.
Lang's photographs speak to us today not just because they're about our past, but also because they speak to our present.
Your file of negatives is your biography. There it is. I think we have a card on this. Oh. I think I've seen that on here.
I was a part-time student at the San Francisco Art Institute.
Next time, try the train. This is about 35.
She looked to me to be the photographer in the country who was concerned with the larger social implications, ramifications of images. We hit it off. I felt very blessed to be helping her accomplish what she wanted to accomplish.
This one, you said, was during the Depression when?
During the Depression, yeah.
She was committed to a deadline that involved her looking over her entire life as a photographer.
And probably never anybody asked me for this.
We started by pulling out boxes and boxes of negatives. Some of them got thrown out on the spot.
Isn't good enough. This goes in that early Utah.
It was also an opportunity to put her affairs in order, and they were in considerable disorder.
I can't just exactly say why I feel at this point, with that show coming on, that I know that I have to look this stuff over that I've done.